Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.2 trillion. Down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. And if we look at the BTC dominance, guys, BTC dominance continues to pull down, guys. It's pulling down very, very sharply, and we're sitting at 53.7% right now. And we are seeing a lot of altcoins going deep green because of that. And a lot of analysts are calling for a major altcoin rally, the biggest we have seen before, and we are starting to see that. So very exciting times ahead for all the altcoin holders and the altcoin market as a whole. But today I want to talk about none other than Cardano, guys. So if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, guys, Cardano is trading at $1.24 right now. It's up 3.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and it's also up 4.7% in BTC comparative. Current market cap is $39.4 billion, and 24-hour trading volume is at $5.5 billion. Rank is at top 7 on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. And yeah, guys, it's still like 16.5% away from its all-time high. I believe in the next coming days we should be able to break out and hit a new all-time high. But today I want to share some news with you guys, and then I will share where I could see Cardano going in the upcoming future. All right, so Cardano's venture fund makes first investment, 500,000 in payment firm Cody. So Cody has received $500,000 from a C fund, marking the first investment made by the venture fund backed by Cardano, the network behind the current seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The 20 million C fund was launched in July of last year, a joint venture between Cardano builder IOHK and Los Angeles-based Wave Financial. So, um, you know, um, Charles Hoskinson had to say this: there are a lot of new chains out there like Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain and so on, and they all more or less target the same crypto audience to do DeFi better and all of that. Bar Giffen said that, referring to the 51 billion decentralized finance sector. Rather than just doing just another faster or better version of Ethereum with the same DeFi projects on top, Cardano is trying to work with governments, specifically in developing countries in Africa and South America. For his part, IOHK Hoskinson said in a statement that the Cody investment is a step forward towards deepening the relationship between the projects. Cody has been a great partner across several projects already, and we plan to leverage their advanced fintech architecture to enable future finance application on ADA. Hoskinson had to say that. If you guys don't know, Cody has been doing very, very great. I did cover this project like when it was very fairly new. It only had a market cap of like $2-3 million, and now it's all the way at $287 million. If you're a Cody holder, congrats. You guys deserve this entire gains, and this goes to show if you really do your research and you actually believe in the project, and your patience will be rewarded. And that's exactly what we're seeing for Cody holders, and Cody has been up 7,800% since November 7th of 2019. A massive gains. This year alone it's up 1,971%. So congrats to all Cody holders. A very, very solid project, but do your own due diligence and research, guys. But yeah, another news I want to share with you guys is Cardano reveals its first supply chain solution with ScanTrust, guys. So briefly, let's go over this. I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys want to read more about it. But the Cardano Foundation is pleased to announce the live release of unique supply chain traceability and anti-counterfeit solution together with ScanTrust, a connected goods and products platform that provides a digitalization for brand protection, supply chain traceability, and consumer engagement to Fortune 500 enterprises and small to medium enterprise SMEs in over 168 countries worldwide. The Cardano Scan Trust solution allows brand owners to leverage the traceability and targeted data functions of Scan Trust physical secured QR codes together with the speed and low cost of the Cardano blockchain for supply chain traceability and anti-counterfeit use cases. The live implementation of supply chain solution first revealed in December 2020 is complete and is already being successfully used in proof of concept implementations with Georgian artisan wine producer Baya Wine. Wow, like this is very very like bullish in my opinion. Cardano keeps on developing and keeps on making bigger moves, and this is a very exciting news. But if you guys want to read more about it, I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys to check out. All right, guys, if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, guys, we're seeing something very interesting. So this was, when we had that initial pump, um, when we broke the new all-time high, and then we went all the way up to $1.48, and then we consolidated, and then this was the Coinbase pump. But regardless of that, guys, if you guys notice something, we have been trading in this range for a while. This is accumulation zone for ADA right now. If you're seeing, we touched a $1 and 49 cents once, which is resistance, and we touched $1.49 twice. And I believe this is the third time where we will smash past the resistance and see newer all-time highs for ADA. And there's a very strong support around this $1 range. So there's a lot of volume that comes in when it touches and keeps getting bought back very very quickly. We've been in this range, guys, for since February now. Like, it's been trading sideways in this range and accumulating its accumulation zone. And I believe in the next coming days, as you guys may know, altcoin season is heating up. A lot of altcoins are flying through the roof. So I believe ADA is next up, considering what they're solving. Double staking, and a lot of institutional interest coming into the markets now. A lot of institutional investors are looking into crypto now. They see the future. Before, they did not see the future. Now they see the future. They know they can hedge against inflation, and they're coming back in from traditional markets. And when these big investors and big hedge fund managers, when they come from the institutional side of the traditional markets, they're sophisticated investors. They want some sort of passive income. So Cardano is really appealing to these kind of investors because you can earn staking rewards by staking your ADA. These guys will buy big bags and think long term, and they, while they're holding their bags, they will earn passive income. Not only institutional investors, a lot of other investors as well. If they're in it for the long haul, they see the future for Cardano in the next 5-10 years taking over Ethereum, which I believe it can honestly take over Ethereum in the next couple of years. If that's the case, you guys know my stance. I'm in it for the long haul for ADA. I think I look at the longer picture. I'm in it for the long haul, but that does not mean I am not going to be taking profits this bull run, because we're here to make money. I will re-enter my position. I have a trading bag and I have a long-term bag. So when we my personal strategy is, when we do see newer all-time highs, I tend to take 15% of my holdings and put it into USDT. I buy other coins, or I just save it for something like my personal use. And I believe once we do see newer all-time highs, once we break this resistance, we will see $2. That's the next target. I might take 15% of my holdings into USDT and put it into something else. But I want to point out something very, very interesting, guys. So as you guys may know, altcoin season is just beginning right now. Altcoin season is just beginning, and a lot of analysts are calling this altcoin season to be the biggest altcoin season ever. So that means the 2017 altcoin season was nothing compared to this one, if all these analysts, what they're saying is true. So if that type of magnitude of a bull run, guys, did occur, I would not be surprised at all if ADA were to even pull, $10 this bull run. I honestly would not be surprised, considering the fact that we were to see that type of magnitude of a run. I would not be surprised. But this is just my own personal opinion. I'm just speculating, but I am very confident if that happened, very easily ADA can touch $10 at the peak of the bull run. But my personal price prediction is $3.85. If you guys want to know where I got these numbers, you guys can go watch my price prediction video I made all the way last year at the beginning of the year of last year. You guys can go check that out. But I believe we could touch that $3.85 very easily this bull cycle. And but yeah, only time will tell. But everything is looking good for ADA. As you guys may know, ADA is listed on Coinbase, so a lot of eyes are on ADA. When newer investors come into the markets, they will look into ADA. Because it's more appealing. Why would they invest into Bitcoin, Ethereum? People will be like, "What's ADA?" and they'll do more research on it, and they will buy that rather than like there's a high chance of people actually looking into ADA and buying it rather than buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. And there's a lot of demand for ADA right now, as you guys may know. A lot of these big institutional investors and big figures, influencers, they all started to talk about Cardano. What is it, guys? Like they're doing more research, and a lot of developers are honestly starting to look, away from Ethereum to develop. Now they're looking at Cardano. They're looking at Zilliqa. They're looking at Polkadot. So, but there's one project that comes closest to Ethereum, guys, and that is Cardano. I have been saying it for the longest time. If you guys been following on my channel, you guys know how bullish I am on Cardano, and I believe this is just the absolute start. And if we're looking at lastly, if we're looking at the staking rewards passive income, which I mentioned earlier, Cardano is the top two crypto assets staked by value, and it's the staked value right now is $28.2 billion, guys. So if let's put it at this way, so if you guys don't know, their circulation supply is 32 billion. So out of 28 billion out of the 32 billion circulation supply has been already locked and staked. So when the demand gets high, guys, basic economic factor comes in, supply and demand. When there's less, supply on the market and there's high demand, what's going to happen to the price? Absolutely moon. And that's what I'm saying. If we were to see that type of magnitude of a bull run like 2017, guys, it's Cardano is going to move faster than most of you guys know it. And that's just, I've seen it before, and that's just my I've seen it, so that's why I'm saying that. Like in the previous bull cycle, if we were to see that magnitude, I would not be surprised if ADA hit $10 at the end of this year. But like I said, this is just pure speculation. Always do your research and always invest where you can afford to lose in crypto. Never throw your life savings in. That's not smart at all. And guys, before I end this video, I will do a $100 giveaway for ADA. Please smash this like button if this video gets 500 likes a week. So you guys have 1 week to smash this video to 500 likes. 1 week from now on, I will come back to this video. If it did hit 500 likes, I will give $100 worth of ADA to one lucky winner. I will leave in the comment section below how you can enter. It will be very, very easy. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button. It does help my channel a lot. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. It really, really does mean the world to me, guys. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there, though. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I think I'm going to wrap it up around here, guys. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.